Hi everyone, today I got a new Bluetooth speaker for the jet ski. I'm going to pick it up from the post office, we'll install it, and test it out. Let's go.
Hi everyone. Okay, show me what you got here.
Что у тебя тут такой бумбокс?
Unboxing. Soundcore Boom 2 Plus.
Yeah! And of course, it's waterproof.
It even floats.
Cool.
Here's the speaker.
It's actually not that heavy.
It weighs 3 kilos. Here, hold this. We already have this nice case.
Will the speaker even fit in here?
It should.
Down.
Делается.
There we go.
Now we need to mount this.
О,
And now put the speaker here.
Let's do it like this. Otherwise, it might fall and that's it.
All good, but we put it on the wrong way.
Right.
We will be listening from the back. So we need to turn it the other way.
So we hear the music, not everyone else. Looks straight now.
Let's turn it on. So that's how it lights up. The sun is shining from this side.
No, it didn't turn on yet. Look, now you can see it clearly.
Also, we have got a new 2-up seat. Let's replace it too, yeah?
Yeah,
Push it.
а,
Bring the new one.
this one is better.
A 2-up seat so we can give girls a ride. Let's connect to the speaker. We will keep the red lighting.
Block the sun with your body. Oh, now it's visible.
Let's set the flashing mode to lightning. Now we refuel and change clothes.
And then we ride.
Yeah, and test it.
So, we finally changed clothes. Now we'll refuel and head to the water.
Move the buggy then, and I will take the quad.
Okay.
We almost forgot about the storage box.
Oh, that's right.
We have got a box with a bag for towel. Stand up.
Okay, that's enough.
Hand me the hose.
Let's go.
Of the pier. Well, everything is ready. Let's turn it on. Let's go. Let me try.
Okay, here you go. Hold it.
So the music works great. If you liked it,
leave a like. Bye bye.